Are you ready for more living space, but you're not finding what you need in the limited, outdated resale market? Look no further than Harbor Crossing, a beautiful new Painesville Township community in the beloved Riverside School District. With a variety of modern floor plans, spacious cul-de-sac home sites, and options for a 3-car garage, building the home of your dreams can finally be a reality. Every time you pull into this private community, you'll be welcomed by scenic wooded views, lush sod yards, and friendly faces strolling around the community sidewalks. Your brand new open concept home features a kitchen island that will quickly become the family hub, perfect for meal prep and homework help. And with Giant Eagle and tons of popular restaurants nearby, you'll love asking what's for dinner. Your attached 2- or 3-car garage and full basement provide plenty of space for storing sporting equipment and holiday decorations. With options for large, spacious yards and a rear covered porch, your yard will be cookout ready in no time. Plus, with allowed fencing, sheds, playground equipment, and pools, you'll be able to personalize the space. Your dream summer is right around the corner. With 3 to 7 bedrooms, there's more than enough room for everyone. Dreaming of a home office? Choose a floor plan with a loft or a flex room. Enjoy starting the day in your spacious owner's bedroom and walk-in closet. Your private owner's bathroom features dual vanities and a walk-in shower, making busy mornings a breeze. Routine home upkeep is made simple with myryanhome.com, your one-stop shop for all questions relating to home care and your included 1-, 2-, and 10-year home warranties. Located in Painesville Township, your home is less than a mile from Route 2 and just minutes to Route 44. Catch a free concert in Painesville Square, spend the day at one of the many beaches and parks, or plan a date night out on the town. Whatever you choose, you'll love the family-friendly atmosphere and enjoy the peaceful lifestyle Painesville offers. Want to know how you can make the dream of living at Harbor Crossing a reality? Take action today and click the orange button for more information. Your future self will thank you.